Have you ever wondered what makes someone good at something? The secret is often their ability. It's a simple but powerful word. Ability means having the skill or power to do something. It can be natural talent or something you learn. A common mistake is confusing ability with opportunity. Ability is what you can do, opportunity is the chance to do it. Common patterns include have the ability to, show ability in, and develop ability. You often use it with verbs like learn and improve. She has the ability to solve hard problems. He showed great ability in painting. They want to improve their language ability. Everyone has some special ability. A young boy couldn't play the piano well at first. But with practice, his ability grew, and soon he played beautifully. Ability can grow with effort. Remember ability by linking it to able, meaning you are able to do something. If you are able, you have the ability. Now you know ability means skill or power to do something. Try to use it in a sentence today.